My name is Rose. I am a licensed English professional teacher. I am a TESOL certified and I've been teaching for quite some time now. It's more than 5 years. I have been teaching since 2015. Having handled 8 different nationalities, I have taught IELTS, TOEIC, CAE, business, and Kalam classes. I specialize in conversational English and business topics. In 2019, I had an opportunity to teach in Vietnam. I taught English to kids and adult professionals that's from 5 to 60 years old. My passion to teach English has given me this opportunity to teach in another country, meet different people, and definitely learn, understand, and experience different cultures. One of the highlights in my teaching is I'm not only teaching contents, but I'm also teaching techniques to learn. I assess my students' improvement, engage them into a natural conversation, and let them practice so they can learn it in a natural way. Learning a language is not easy. Yes, I hear you. But with the correct method and learning style, you will surely enjoy the journey and learn the language in the easiest and fun way. So come and join in my class. I hope to see you there.